so why are these frogs so important?
Because they chicken wing.
No, I'm serious. Why are these frogs actually important?
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So pretty.
I'm recording.
Hello guys, it's your favorite TikToker, Jaka.
Why are you stopping so early?
Oh! Oh! My dad taught me how to skip rocks. That's why my dad's so good at it. That's your sample boy.
Oh, that's pollution.
Cliffy loves nature. Cliffy wants to die in nature. I'm joking.